you're having an amazing day. So today what we're going to be making is vegetable and an egg recipe. So this recipe is actually very good, and because we have 4 members in the family, I'm putting 4 eggs, and this is for a Father's Day special. So yeah, as you could see that over here, here's how it looks when it's done. It looks delicious. Here I'm taking a slice, and you can have it with bread, and oh my god, it tastes delicious. Okay, so first you're gonna need 2 cups of olive oil. So just spread it around like a circle, and then put in some onions like so. And then just mix it around like so. And then put some chopped up tomatoes like this. You can put however much you want, just like so. And then stir it up. And then you could put some mushrooms as well. Carefully put them on. Make sure you do not burn yourself. And then close the lid and wait for it to cook. Once it has finished cooking, just stir it, give it one more stir. Just keep stirring like so. You can add some more vegetables too. Like this. And then add 1 egg. I'm gonna add 4 eggs. Like this. Once you have put in the eggs, close the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes in very low heat so that it does not burn. And then once it has finished, it should be looking like this. You could put on some salt and pepper or any seasoning you would like, just like so. And then I'm putting on some green leaves, and here's how it looks. Okay, now it's ready to be served, so just cut yourself a slice like this. And I'm putting it on a plate like this. And I put some bread with it, and I gave it a little try, and oh my god, it's so good. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be coming back with another Father's Day special video, so stay tuned for that. Bye!